Okay, so now we're gonna work on a kindergarten problem. This might be a little challenging, especially when we get to numbers like 38 and 27, but I believe you can do it, kindergarten. I'm gonna show one example. Parents, if your child is struggling or find it challenging, then you can change these numbers if you would like. Again, we don't want to overwhelm the kids during this time. We just want them to have fun while they're still learning, okay? So kindergarten, we're gonna work with 4 numbers today, and your mission is to look at the number that you're given. In this instance, this first example, this is the one that I'm gonna do with you. So number 16, we're gonna draw the number 16 using place value, in a place value way, okay? And then we're gonna draw a number bond with that, okay? So let's get started. The number 16, let's count and see how many dots we can do with that, okay? So we can figure out how many 10s and how many 1s are in that number. What number should I'll use red, okay? So we're gonna do it the 5 way, the 5 group way. 5 numbers on each line, and then until we run out, okay? So 16, you can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and one more makes 16, okay? So we're gonna figure out how many 10s are in this number. That just means we're gonna circle a group of 10. So I'm going to use the blue, I'll use the blue. I'm gonna use the blue marker to circle my group of 10s. So since we're counting by 5, since we've done it in the 5 group way, that's gonna be very easy. So 5, 10. So the counting by 5 is 5, 10, but we can double check. We're gonna count just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's circle that. Okay, so let's see how many blocks are left or how many dots are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's not enough blocks to make another set of 10. So right now that we see, we have 1 set of 10. And how many 1s do we have? I want you to count those and figure it out. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s left. So if you want to do it in the T-chart style, we haven't done that yet, kindergarten, but I'm going to show you right now. It's kind of like the place value chart that we have in our classroom. So on one side we have the 10s, which looks like a T. We're going to draw a line to separate it. On the other side we have an O that looks like a 0, but it's an O. The T stands for 10s and the O stands for 1s. And we have one group of 10s. Not how many circles are in the middle, but one group of 10s. There's only one circle holding a group of 10s. So we have one group of 10s, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s that are not grouped. Okay, so that's what our number 16 looks like in a group of 10 and 1s and in the place value chart way. Now what I want you to do is take it a step further, and I want you to make a number bond using these numbers. You all are working on number bonds over the number 10. I mean, you're even going to almost 40. Like I said, parents, if they're having trouble, you can always make that number lower. So Ms. Davis is going to draw, let me use some of this space, a number bond. So our total is 16. And then our 2 parts we saw, we have a group of, how many dots are in here? We have a group of 10. And we also have 6 dots, okay? Now I know that can get confusing because earlier Ms. Davis said we only have one group of 10, but right here I did all of the 1s. So like I said, this might be a little challenging. Parents, you can lessen the numbers if you would like, but I believe you can get it, okay? Because 10 plus 6 is 16. If we only put a 1 here, that would not equal 16, that would equal 7. So I want you to try these with other numbers. If you want to make the numbers lower, you can. So let me know how this goes, parents. I'm a little weary, but I think they can do it. All right, so I will see you tomorrow for the story for Pete the Cat. Bye, love you.